Deep inside a busy beehive, a tiny egg lies in a wax cell. The egg is white and oval-shaped, about the size of a grain of rice. This is the beginning of a honeybee's life. The egg is carefully placed in the cell by the queen bee, the mother of all the bees in the hive. The queen bee is much larger than the other bees with a long, slender body. She is the only bee who can lay eggs. The hive is warm and humid, the perfect environment for the egg to hatch. Worker bees, the queen's daughters, keep the hive clean and at a constant temperature. After 3 days, the egg hatches and a small white larva emerges. The larva looks like a tiny grub, curled up at the bottom of the cell. It has no legs or wings yet. The larva is very hungry and is fed a special food called royal jelly by the worker bees. Royal jelly is a milky white substance made by young worker bees. It is very nutritious and helps the larva grow quickly. After a few days of eating royal jelly, the larva is fed bee bread, a mixture of pollen and honey. The larva grows bigger and bigger, molting or shedding its skin several times as it grows. After about 6 days, the larva is fully grown. Worker bees seal the cell with a cap of wax. Inside the sealed cell, the larva spins a silk cocoon around itself and enters the pupa stage. During the pupa stage, amazing changes happen. The larva transforms into an adult bee with 6 legs, 4 wings, and a head, thorax, and abdomen. After about 12 days, the adult bee is ready to emerge. The adult bee chews its way out of the wax cell and joins the thousands of other bees in the hive. The hive is a bustling community with a strict social structure. At the top of the hierarchy is the queen bee. She is the only bee that can lay eggs, and she can lay up to 2,000 eggs per day. The queen bee mates only once with several drones and stores the sperm for her lifetime. The worker bees are all female and are responsible for all the work in the hive. They collect nectar and pollen, make honey, build and repair the hive, care for the larvae, and guard the hive from intruders. The drones are the male bees, and their only job is to mate with the queen. They are larger than worker bees but smaller than the queen. Drones do not have stingers and rely on the worker bees for food. Honeybees are essential to our environment. They are important pollinators, meaning they carry pollen from one flower to another, which helps plants to reproduce. Many fruits, vegetables, and nuts rely on bees for pollination. Honeybees also produce honey, a delicious and nutritious food for humans and animals. Honey is made from the nectar bees collect from flowers. Worker bees store the nectar in their honey sacs, where enzymes break it down into simple sugars. Back at the hive, they deposit the nectar into the honeycomb cells. The bees fan their wings to evaporate excess water, thickening the nectar into honey. The next time you see a honeybee buzzing around your garden, remember the important role they play in our world. They are fascinating creatures with a complex social structure and an important job to do.